Good morning, guys. Well, still busy on my S1000R, and today we finally got the parts. Took a while, but got all the time in the world. Let's see. We have 4 spark plugs, of course NGK. Over here is the model, the type, and I got a brand new air filter. Of course it's from High Flow Filtro, and why? I have no idea. Never had a problem with it, fits good, and it's cheaper than the original one. Although let's see. Well, wow, old mechanic, a nice new one. Now, come over to the bike. There we got a big Torx, and over here, and that's Torx. Let's go. It's not a big one. Actually, it looks big. Okay, so we have to lift the tank up. There is the Torx for the tank. Oh, and it's Torx 30. And now there is this. Be careful not to leave it in, this one. Okay, on the other side there is the same one. But for now it isn't difficult, huh? Nah, few Torx. Over here we get that wonderful spacer out too. What is it? Washer. Then there is a bolt. We need to loosen it. It's 10. Okay, something like this. The last time, yeah, there are 2 hoses. One, I have these tiny tire wraps colored, put one around it, so now I can't forget it. Normally, this one the same. Hop. Put a tiny tire wrap around it. Also, so, and now, although you should get the tank up, it doesn't work. You need to take this bolt out, the long one. Because you have to slide the tank a bit to that side. Perhaps lift it a bit, yes. This one out. Be careful, there is a washer. And now, lift the tank a bit, see, slide it backwards, and now I take a piece of copper wire, hop, one over here, then one over there. So, okay, and then so, and over here I'm gonna place a piece of wood, so something like this. So now I can lift the tank up, so like this, and now it's far enough out of the way. Then, now guys, to get this out of the way, there is a Torx bolt over here. I see, is it a washer? No. See, this one we can take out of the way. It's a long bolt, Torx. You always have to make it yourself easy. Okay, careful, over there, and then around like this, something like this. Now it's out of the way. Then, now I'm gonna clean it. But there is all sand and things. I don't want to have that into the engine. So, then take my air hose. So, okay. Now I'm sure it's clean. Because when you, this is where our air filter is. We take this one out. Then lift this one out. Okay. This thing. Hop. We can slide this one out. And that's our, oops, okay, we're gonna renew this one.